Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications, and from there you're looking for a screen recorder toggle somewhere on one of the pages. So if you don't see it on this one, swipe to the left and it will reveal additional page of toggles, and as you can see, for me it's right over here in the corner. So screen recorder, you can tap on it right away and this will give you a couple options: record folder, which will show you all the screen recordings, settings, and also close option. I'm gonna navigate into the settings for now, because in here you can customize it to fit your needs. Now in terms of resolution, it looks like it's already set to the highest one, so I recommend keeping it at that. This will give you a crisp image. Video quality, it's set to 16 megabits. I believe this will be good enough. Yep, that should be good enough. In terms of frame rate, I recommend changing it to 30, which is the maximum frame rate anyway, so it's bare minimum, and it's also the highest you can go on this device, unfortunately. And then the rest of the toggles right here are just strictly preferential, so if you want some of them, toggle them on. If you don't, keep them off. Now from there, you can then click on the record button to automatically start recording, and whatever you'll do right now obviously will be recorded by the device. I'm just kind of opening up some random stuff just so there's something. And once you're done, you can click right here, click on the square. This will save your screen recording to your Photos application, or gallery as it's called right here. So I'm going to open it up, and you can see it right at the front. Now later on, once you're going back through your library of photos, videos, and all that stuff, and you want to locate your screenshots or screen recordings, you can do so quickly by navigating into albums and then finding the screenshots, screen recordings album, and then just make sure you select screen recording right here, and you can obviously find all your screen recordings neatly organized in here. There we go. As you can see, it's now playing back. So that's it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.